For the adjacent swap, we will be using this algorithm, and this is how it goes. Learning this algorithm is easy. All you need to do is track the front right pair, take out the front left pair and put in the front right pair and then the front left pair. For the diagonal swap, there is a really good algorithm because it uses only R and U moves. Learning this algorithm might seem difficult, but it actually isn't. All you need to do is break the back right pair, a rotation, a U move, then an anti-soon, a U2 and sexy move. For the counterclockwise U-perm, we will be using the standard algorithm along with the standard finger tricks. For the clockwise U-perm, you can use this algorithm, but what is faster is this. This is the mirror of the counterclockwise U-perm, and you need to begin with the rotation and then you can do it as R and U moves. So here you take out the back pair and then the front pair, then do a sexy move, put in the back pair, put in the front pair. For the H perm, this is the algorithm and it uses only R and U prime moves. You can also use the standard algorithm with the support of the table. And I use my ring finger for the M moves